Some people got everything. Some people got nothing.
You know, life is not one thing. You don't just live a life of romance. You don't just live a life of religion.
Some people got hopes and dreams. Some people got ways and means.
So life is really the influence. This is who we are.
Market.
Touring together is nothing new for us. We've been doing that for years. This will be the first one that we presented where it's billed as Steven and myself.
What it is really us showcasing the work what we did together as artists.
How do you think being brothers strengthens you guys' musical chemistry on stage?
We're very similar. You know, we grew up together as a musical family, you know what I'm saying? We have a lot of similarities. How close we are as blood brothers. This is an unconditional relationship.
As brothers, we are a part of each other's lives, and so therefore this is just another outlet of that. Our father, he influenced a whole generation, and his influence is greatest. He influenced your faith.
Him set the standard, you know, the tone. We are the seeds of that fruit. We're excited for the whole presentation, this whole vibration, you know? Yeah.
Yes, my people, feel free to like and share. Subscribe for more video like this. Shout out to Live Media, you know what I mean? Video credits. Rasla, I'm out. Boom!